Good evening, my name is Swapnali. Welcome to today's highlights of Speed News Live 24. Let's have a quick look on worldwide highlights. The Farmers Hesitation against the Centre's farm laws, which began on November 26, will complete 100 days on Saturday. To mark the day, farmers are planning to block a major expressway outside New Delhi tomorrow. Despite a high-profile visit to China by a team of international experts in January, the world is no closer to knowing the origins of COVID-19, according to one of the authors of an open letter calling for a new investigation into pandemic. The Central Board of Secondary Education has released the revised date sheets for Class 10 and 12 CBSE Board Exams 2021 on its official website today, March 5, 2021. Students can check the revised dates of board exams on cbse.nic.in. Students and parents can download the CBSE revised. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said the production-linked incentive scheme will boost India's domestic manufacturing and export abilities and further production by $520 billion in the next 5 years. Addressing a webinar on Friday, PM Modi said the government is continuously carrying out reforms to boost domestic manufacturing. The State Bank of India has announced fresh dates for SBI Apprentice exam on its official website sbi.co.in. The SBI Apprentice exam 2021 will now be conducted in April 2021. Earlier, the exam will be scheduled on January 2021. Indian Railway released a notification on Friday which announced a price hike in the platform ticket rates at many railway stations. The ministry has termed this is a temporary measure. A hike in the price of a platform ticket is temporary measure and is a field activity undertaken by a railway administration in the interest of safety passengers and to prevent overcrowding at stations. The SARS-CoV-2 virus is mutating at a faster rate in Bangalore than in the rest of the country. A recent study by the Indian Institute of Science has revealed. The IISc team, led by Utpal Tatu, a professor in the Department of Biochemistry, found 27 mutations in 3 isolates. Andhra Pradesh observed a complete shutdown on Friday in the protest against the proposed privatization of central government public sector undertaking Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, the corporate entity of Visakhapatnam Steel Plant, a Navratna company under the Ministry of Steel. Expect the Bharatiya Janata Party, all the political parties. Congress leader Kranti Chidambaram has filed an application before the party's State Election Committee requesting that party Priyanka Gandhi Vadra should be named as the candidate by polls to Kanyakumari Lok Sabha constituency. The US and UK are weighing additional penalties against Russia over the use of chemical weapons, with the options ranging from the sanctions against oligarchs to the extreme steps of targeting the nation's sovereign debt, according to the people familiar with the matter. 33-year-old rape survivor was set afire in Rajasthan's Hanumannagar district. Police said on Friday the woman has been admitted to hospital in Bikaner with a serious burn injuries. Gulupura Station House Officer Om Prakash said, adding the Pradeep Vishnoi who was accused by a woman of raping her in 2018, has been detained for questioning. The water orbs of Shimla are thing past. No one sleeps under the sky without a shelter. Door-to-door garbage collection and its self-disposal system are already in place. Better healthcare infrastructure, high illiteracy ratio in the country, and e-services at the Citizen Command. Big Boss 14 contestants are closely friends. Ali Goni and Jasmine Basin are ready with their big projects together. They are teaming up a music video together. Tony Kakkar Tera Suit will star the duo together and land online on Monday, March 8th. Ali and Jasmine shared first look. HarperCollins India announced that it has acquired a biography of Sanjeev Kumar on the first most famous actor of Hindi cinema and would release next year. Sanjeev Kumar has a stellar performance in several films like Sholay, Trishul, Yahi Hai Zindagi, Naya Din, Nayi Raat, Itni Si Baat and Ram Teri Kitne Naam, Angur and Hero. World Health Organization officials said on Friday the risk of Ebola outbreak spreading from the Guinea to its neighbor was very high, and that something neighboring countries were not prepared for outbreaks or future vaccination campaigns. WHO Geneva representatives George Alfred Keith Zorba told a virtual briefing that 18 cases. The Defense Research and Development Organization conducted a successful flight test its solid fuel detected Ramjet, a missile propulsion system on Friday morning at Odisha Chandrapur test range. After building out England for a partly score of 205 on day 1 of India vs England fourth test, the onus was the Indian batsmen to fire with the bat. The early wickets of Shubham Gill and Cheteshwar Pujara detained the home team chances of attaining a positive start, and surprisingly skipper Virat Kohli also failed to make an impact. India reached 294 at the stumps on the day to lead England by 89 runs. Sundar hammered his third test 50 at he kept up India momentum after Rishabh Pant was dismissed for 101 by Seamer James Anderson. India have lost 7 wickets with Washington Sundar and Axar Patel at the crease. Anti-Naxal youth encountered twice in a few hours on the border with the Chhattisgarh at Gadchiroli in Maharashtra. In an ancient Naxal weapons manufacturing unit was destroyed along the Maharashtra-Chhattisgarh border in an inter-state operation led by C-60 Commando Unit, Gadchiroli police on Friday, senior officials said. The German government has agreed to pay a nuclear operators 2.4 billion euros in compensation for forcing them to shut their nuclear plants early in response to a Fukushima disaster, minister said on Friday. With this, we end up with today's highlights. Thank you.
तर अशाच ताज्या अपडेट्ससाठी स्पीड न्यूज लाईव्ह 24 चॅनेलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर प्रेस करा.